ASUS new Zenbook is sleek, stylish, and with seamless phone integration, perfect for work from home. And it can do this. Hello?
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Oh, I'm calling you from my laptop. Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to ASUS Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. This is the ASUS Zenbook 13 OLED, and like I said earlier, we're gonna be putting this thing to the test, but first, let's take a closer look at the actual laptop. The Zenbook comes in this box, pretty indicative of how sleek this laptop is because I feel like it's such a small box for a 13-inch laptop. The laptop comes with a carry sleeve. This actually looks pretty good and I love how ASUS includes this with their laptops. It also comes with a charging brick, this dongle, and an audio dongle. So, this is the ASUS Zenbook 13 OLED. It features that classic ASUS look, that spun metal design. What I have here is the pine gray version. Now, I was surprised when I first saw this thing because I know that this is definitely a 13-inch laptop, but it felt like it was smaller. Maybe it's because it's thin as my moleskin. Maybe it's because it's light, like it's really light. But yeah, it's definitely a sleek little thing, perfect for people like me who need machines who can handle what I do, but likes tinier things that I can carry and fit in my tinier bags. In true ASUS fashion, it has an ergo lift hinge, which is this thing designed to give you a better typing position and improve audio and airflow. This is a 13.3-inch OLED HDR display, and those are some tiny bezels on the side with an IR camera up top for face unlock. And yes, that face unlock works quite well. ASUS claims amazing color in this, true-to-life OLED colors to be precise. And it does look good, and we're just looking at the wallpaper. Now, I know this is a betta fish because bettas are known to have vibrant colors. And guess what? I have a betta fish. So let's compare if it's true to life. This is my betta, and this is the laptop. I mean, no offense to my betta, it's pretty and all, but the laptop screen is actually looking even more vibrant than the actual fish. Technically, even better than true to life. Like I said, this laptop feels very sleek for a 13-inch laptop. The keyboard extends to the edges, but it still very much feels like a normal-sized keyboard that's comfortable for typing. I love how this is designed to be compact and yet without sacrificing comfort. Also, there are easy shortcuts for webcam, screen grab, or my ASUS app. More on that later. Another fun feature on this is the number pad, which is basically the trackpad turning into a calculator. Perfect for people who don't really do math well, always needs a golden calculator to divide, or people who have to do math a lot. At the touch of a button, this trackpad turns into a number pad and it's also lit up. You can also swipe around to get to calculator quick. It's pretty cool. Now, for people who love moving around, may it be traveling when we're finally allowed to, or just moving around in your house while you're working, also me. There are ports on this thing so you won't be living a dongle life. There's an HDMI port, 2 USB-C ports, a USB port, and a card reader. The ASUS Zenbook 13 OLED, however, is best paired with wireless buds because there isn't an audio jack. So real quickly, these are the laptop specs. Translated to layman's terms for all of us mere mortals who don't really enjoy trying to decipher spec sheets. That just means that this is good for everyday use, word processing, internet browsing or research, conference calls, Excel work, light photo editing. This thing can do it. If you're a heavier user though and you have more intensive needs than this, I'd suggest looking at another laptop. And for the multitaskers out there, I also checked how well this will handle multitasking and did the combos that all of us usually do. Chrome plus Excel plus PowerPoint plus Word. You know, if we be working and vibing to a YouTube video. This is how it fared. And by the way, this comes with a Microsoft Home and Student license, so you good with the programs I just mentioned. And yes, those are Harman Kardon speakers. And finally, yes, most definitely, this is so good for watching videos with that OLED screen and those speakers. And here is a sample of how that will look with some relaxing nature sounds because I feel like we need it at this point, you guys. Since we all are working from home these days, let's check just how well this thing can do work from home stuff. Right, so this is the video test. We are recording this via Zoom, so I am on a call with myself. And this is being shot by the laptop cameras, and you are hearing the audio from the laptop recorded via the mics from this laptop. So this is how you're gonna sound and look to other people if you're on a call with them using this laptop. I also tried it on Skype, and though I couldn't find a way to record the call, this is how it looks like. I mean, looking good. And this is how audio sounds like.
Please record a message. Afterwards, your message will be played back to you.
Okay, so this is me testing the mics via this laptop on Skype. Let's check it out. Okay, so this is me testing the mics via this laptop on Skype. Let's check it.
If you are able to hear your own voice, then you have configured Skype correctly.
One of the things that I love about this Zenbook is the MyASUS app. It just does so much. First off, it has AI noise cancellation for your calls, for your audio. So for example, so here we are using normal audio. I am in an air-conditioned room, so that's the humming you might be hearing. Meanwhile, and now we have the MyASUS AI noise cancellation on, so listen to that. No AC humming right now. What you just heard was a single presenter conference call. Now there are other things you can do here, like basic reception optimization, so that's sound from all directions, or multi-presenter conference call, which filters ambient noise but like lets other people talk, perfect for a multi-presenter conference call. Aside from that, you can also do AI noise cancelling on speaker, and it should filter out all sounds except human voices via the speakers. A bunch of other cool things are here. So ASUS OLED Care is here, which helps you not burn in your screen, and all other, well, things you can change around. You can also link your phone, whether it be an iPhone or an Android, to your laptop with the Link MyASUS app. AirDrop, who you? This will allow you to transfer files across laptop and phone seamlessly. Wonders don't cease there, however, this also allows you to mirror what's on your phone to your laptop. So imagine like going on apps like, TikTok, and you'll see everything on your laptop. Not that you'll use that for work, but I'm trying to prove a point here. On the other hand, you can also mirror your laptop to your phone. So for example, look at my cursor and now it's on the phone. This is pretty cool, honestly. And most convenient for a work from home setup, you can connect your phone to your laptop and access certain apps plus your phone book on here and make calls using your laptop. Hello?
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Oh, I'm calling you from my laptop.
That's good.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
That's pretty cool. And that was our look at the ASUS Zenbook 13 OLED. If you're thinking of getting yourself a sleek machine for your work from home needs, this might be a thing you should check out. As usual, I'll put all info I know in the description box below, and also links to where you can get this thing. Let me know what you guys think about this video. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's IsaDoes_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Until next time.